And then we move to another presentation that will come from the KALBE Pharma. I think Mr. Marcel, yeah, ready? You can unmute yourself. You can introduce yourself while I am preparing for your presentation, okay?
Okay, good morning to all the Indonesian participants, and also good afternoon, the Fiji investment and Your Excellencies Isaac Grace. So my name is Marcel. I'm a strategic partnership from KALBE Internationals. So we are marketing arms for KALBE Group for the market outside Indonesia. So we do the export. So, okay, next slide. Okay, so KALBE is Indonesian's pharmaceutical established since 1966, headquartered in Jakarta. We are a public company since 1991. We listed in the Indonesian Stock Exchange, free float stocks about 42.8. So we are currently a largest public listed pharmaceutical company in the Southeast Asia. And we do have like 4 core businesses, which is the pharmaceuticals, consumer health, nutritionals, and as well distribution and logistics. Next slide. We are currently have 14 manufacturing sites, which are 2 of manufacturing sites located overseas. One is in Nigeria, the orange KALBE, and the other one is KALBE Myanmar. So, and for the pharmaceutical itself, we have 5, KALBE Pharma, Dankos Pharma, Finosol Pharma, KALBE Global, and Pharma, Jaya. KALBE Global is our biological manufacturing. So we produce the API for biological as well as the finished goods products. Next slide. Okay, so since 1966, we have come a long way and also maintaining a sustainable high growth by doing acquisitions and expansions. One of which we acquisied the PT Bintang 7 for our consumer health. And also for the latest, we have done several joint ventures, such as with Blackmore's Australia to market the Blackmore supplements, as well as with currently with the Genex Science Korea for the COVID-19 vaccine, and as well as expansion to do like several investment, such as in Myanmar, we established a factory for pharmaceutical as well as for the consumers products. Okay, next slide. Okay, here are several recognition and awards that we acquired. This is from the 2017, which is the latest is for the PT KALBE Global Medica, which is our biological manufacturing. Okay, next slide. So here are some examples from our products. This is from the ethical pharmaceuticals line. We have focusing on the oncology products, nephrology, and neurology, as well as the medical nutrition, which is a special nutrition for special disease conditions. Next slide, Pak. So this is the whole complete range of our medical nutrition. So we have the nutrition for adults, general nutrition, and also a high protein, as well as for the immune deficiency, for a neurological patients, a chronic kidney disease patient, an oncological cancer patient, and as well as for the liver insufficiency patients. Okay. Next slide. This is a sample from our consumers OTC products. This is one of the famous brands, Woods product. We ranges from the cough syrups and also the lozenge. So this is trusted heritage brands for more than 100 years. So we acquired the brands in the 90s, and also now we have 9 different flavors of peppermint lozenges, and also a syrup for adult, children, and herbals variants. Next slide. So this is another complete range for the consumer OTCs. You might also see the one of the famous cold and flu medicines like Procol, and also for the uh, fast relief gastric, which is the Proma, and as well as the newest one is the for the red ginger, the red G. This is the newest innovative and ready for the export. So next slide. So this is for the consumer nutrition product range, such as diabetasol for the diabetes patients, Antrasol for adult nutrition, and Milna for the babies nutrition product range. Okay, next slide. So this is our global presence. Currently, we are existed around 29 countries, which we existed in New Zealand as well as in Netherlands, and almost all we presence in ASEAN's market except Laos, and also we have exited in Middle East, China, and as well as several territories in Africa markets. Next slide. So this is one of the achievement that we existed for our consumers product for cold medicines and also cough syrups. We are number 1 in Nigeria market. Cough syrups we are in number 3 for, and also Myanmar, Cambodia, and Malaysia for the cough syrup, as well as the cold medicines in Singapore and also in the Philippines. Okay, next slides. Okay, thank you for the attention. So this is my contact details. Thank you. I think you are still mute, Pak Tito.
Thank you,
okay.
Excellency. Thank you, Marcel, for the presentation. What a nice, huge product, yeah, variant, and also congrats for the KALBE to play a long role in Indonesia, in not only Indonesia but the regional and also world pharmaceutical industry.